Hi, I'm Aisling and we are here today in Empower by Aisling, my home studio, and I'm going to show you how to do some Phi Brows. So Phi Brows are a brilliant technique for eyebrows. They're the latest trend and they last 12 to 18 months. The first step is measuring the face, and this is the most important part of the whole treatment. Once your measurements are perfect, your eyebrows are going to be perfect. Next, I'm going to custom mix a colour to match the skin. When I'm microblading the brow, it's important to follow the natural direction of the hair. That's going to give you the most natural result. Next, I'm working the pigment in so that the colour stays in the skin. The anaesthetic goes on next, so after that, the rest of the treatment is pain-free. I etch into each individual line to make sure that that line stays. Finally, I'll just leave a mask of tint on the brows for 10 minutes. The pigment will soak into the lines, and this will stay for 12 to 18 months. I hope you enjoyed this video, and for more on makeup tips and tricks, join us on Beaut.ie.